Tonight we're back with another video. Today we're going to be making slime, all different types of slime, without glue and borax and none of that stuff. So what you need is a bowl. I'm using a small bowl, big bowl. And for the first one you would need toothpaste and shampoo or body wash. I'm just using a tiny bit of body wash because I don't use a lot.
Body wash, body.
And so just gonna take just like it gotta be like a smoothie toothpaste. That's also Then you get go. So we're gonna break that. Then I'm just gonna start mixing it up at the bottom of the old toothbrush. If you see that it's too watery, you can add more body wash or more toothpaste. I would recommend more toothpaste because it's thicker. And then you just let it sit out for a day, for a night.